you sleep so much? You know what day it is? Do you know what day it is, mister? It's Christmas. Hey, Rudolph, the red-nosed Sebby. It's Christmas. It's Christmas, and I think Santa was here. Christmas! Hey, Grumpy Cat. It's Christmas! Are you kidding me? You don't want to wake up on Christmas Day? Okay. Alright. Leave him sleeping here. Let's go. Look at those fancy PJs. I mustache you. Do you want gifts?
How do you only have one sock on?
I mustache you. Do you like Christmas?
Santa was here.
Yep. And he did eat those cookies.